Good morning, Ondandal present here. Today topic is Python programming using string. So string is that is called for sequence of the characters. So the order of arranging order of the string characters, that is called for strings. Okay, string that is using the represent by the single quotation or double quotation within the string values. Okay, string means we can add string 1 and string 2, that is using concatenation. Okay, concat means that we can utilize two string added. Okay, so we can the string values conversion into integer means you proceed the int, that is represented by int, that is you can convert in the integer values. So this is example program. String 1 equal to hello, string 2 equal to there. So string 1 hello and string 2 there. So two string represent in this program. So I have declared two strings. So the pop equal to string 1 plus string 2. So two string will be added in the pop variables. Okay. Print pop means the value will be added, the string values hello there. Okay. Understood? Okay. Next, another one, string character value will be added easily, but string plus integer values cannot possible. Okay, so we can add, cannot possible adding the string and integer values. So you make into conversion the string values, we conversion the integer values. So one example, string 3 equal to single quotation 1 2 3. Okay, string 3 equal to string 3 plus 1. So we have represent x equal to int of string 3 plus 1. So already string 3 is you declared the character variables 1 2 3, but we can add a plus 1. So the plus 1 is the integer values, string 3 is a character values. So we cannot add a string and integer values. So you make it to convert integer, that is a string values we can conversion, that is using for int. So x equal to int of string 3 plus 1. So string 3 is conversion the integer values 1 to 3 plus 1. Totally the print x means 1 to 4. Okay. Next concept, reading and converting the strings. Okay. So first reading. So reading the data means compile time, execution time, we can getting the input values. That is using the reading values. So example, name equal to raw input and so name equal to raw inputs. The raw input will be defined. Compile time we can execute the getting the input values. Okay. So after that enter, I put in the name Chuck. So print name getting from Chuck. Okay. So second thing, another one example, apple equal to raw input. So inside enter, the quotation enter. So output I define enter equal to 100 values. After that, getting a result x equal to apple minus 10. So the apple is string values, 10 equal to integer values. So you make into conversion the apple. So end apple. So x equal to end apple minus 10. After the conversion, apple values conversion 100. So print x means 100 minus 10. What do you get the result? 90. Next problems. This is a define the banana in the string values. We can store in the system the memory location. Define initially the zeroth position up to n number of values. So starting position is 0. The string element will be stored on 0th position. 0 means the b values. Okay, we can access to banana 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after the execution in these problems, fruit equal to banana. Fruit equal to banana. So letter equal to fruit, fruit of 1. So the fruit of one letter getting the position of the banana. So letter 1 is banana. Print letter means you're getting the values A. A is the position of 1. So next n equal to 3. So n value is 3. I defined. After that, W equal to fruit of n minus 1. So fruit of n minus 1 means already I defined n equal to 3. So 3 minus 1 means, so value is 2. So the second print W, fruit of 2 is, that is represent the position of n values. So next example, this is a called length of the strings. The string function that is represent the length of strings. Okay, I put in the banana the examples. The banana is represent initial values. B is called for 0th positions. Okay, so fruit equal to the banana. They represent the single quotations. Okay, so print length of fruit. So the print length of fruit means the length of the fruit values, the banana. So banana is 6 characters. So length of the 6. Okay, this is called for string length. So the length, how to analyzation? The first banana, you check it initially 1 into up to n number of values. So up to 6. Okay, this banana character is 6. Okay, so next one, you have using the looping statements. The looping statements represent while, for, do while. So the while is initially you called. This is a while statement. Initially check the conditions. Condition is true means go to execute the statement. Otherwise, the condition is false means go to end of the portions. That is called for while. Okay. So this is a simple example. Fruit equal to banana. So I define fruit values banana, then index equal to 0. While index less than length of fruits. So index less than length of fruits. So you find the fruit of length values. So fruit values means that is a banana. Banana length means that is a 6 characters. So the index value is 0. 0 less than 6. The condition is true means go to execute the letters. So letter equal to fruit of index. The letter is called initial. The first is 0. The index value is 0. The represent the value, the character is B. Again, the print index comma letter means the 0 comma B. Okay. So the index equal to index plus 1 because the looping will be execute the end of the positions. So first initially the index value is 0. After that the index value is 1. So the condition 0 less than 1 that is true. As 1 less than 1, 1 less than 6 the condition is true. 2 less than 6 that the condition is true. 3 less than 6, 4 less than 6, 5 less than 6, 6 less than 6 the condition is false. So 6 time we will be getting the values, the banana value will be printed. Okay, the while loop will checking 6 times, the loop will be execute 6 times. This is called for while loop. Another one, you create the another loop is that is a for loop. In this for loop, we can getting from the iteration of the variables. So the for loop execution the statement number of times. That is called for the for loops. Okay. Fruit equal to banana. So fruit equal to banana. I defined the banana for letter in the fruit. Letter is starting the B. In the fruit means the banana. So through the print letter means one by one we can called B A N A N A. This is a call for number of times execution the for loops. Okay. This is a example. So fruit equal to banana for letter in the fruit. Print letter means we're getting the number of times. The same as we can use in the while loop. The while loop is first initially define index equal to 0 while index less than length of fruit. Length means that is length. So length of fruit means the fruit value is banana. So the banana is 6 characters. So index value is 0. 0 less than 6. The condition is true means go to execute the letter equal to fruit of index. Print letter means you get in the B values. After index values, next value executed. That is using for index equal to index plus 1. That is increment operators. So index values before itself 0. Now self the index value is changed on 1 less than 6. Again the condition is true means execution the statement. Again the index is values added 2 less than 6, 3 less than 6, 4 less than 6, and 5 less than 6. That is true. Finally 6 less than 6 means the condition is false. So this is called for while loop statement. So next, this is example looping and counting. So looping and counting. Looping means getting a number of times execution the statements. Counting means we can add the values. Okay. So the word is banana. I define the word is banana. Count values is equal to 0. Okay. For letter in the word, so for letter means that is the initial in the word means okay. So letter in the word. So if letter equal to A, so letter means the first position B. B equal to A. The condition is true or false. Okay, the condition is false. So again, the print command, nothing the print. Okay, again go to the execution the statement, again letter value in the word. So letter is a second letter a in the word. Okay, so letter equal to a means that is a equal to a. This is a true. True means go to added count equal to count plus 1. So again the condition is checked. The again condition is false. After that again the condition is checked. The condition is true. So count already the value is 1. So the 1 plus 1 means 2. The count value is 2. So in this statement, we 3 times will be executed true, 3 times executed the false. So the count equal to count plus 1. Okay. This is a represent by the looping and counting of the strings. So another one examples. This is called, so this is a represent Monty Python. Okay. So you define the array of the string values. So the array initial portion 0 to up to n number of values. So 0 means the initial portion is the m elements. Okay. S is the define s equal to Monty Python. Okay. So as defined Monty Python. Okay. After print s of 0 is to 4. So you define the 0 is to 4 means the value printed mont, M-O-N-T, mont. Okay. So then next print s of 6 is 7. The string values up to 6 to up to 7. So the sixth portion represent the B. So we can print out the B. Okay. So next print S of 6 is 20. So 6 between 20 you have represent the Python is display on the values. Okay. This is a string concatenations. The string concatenation is one type of string functions. Concatenation means we can add the strings, two strings. So A equal to hello and B equal to A plus that. Okay, A equal to hello, B equal to A plus that. So already A value is hello plus B value is there. So A plus there means print B means hello there. This is added by the values. Okay. Another example, C equal to A plus single quotation plus there. So print C means getting result there. Hello there. This is a concatenations. Concatenation means we are adding the two string values. Next one is you check that true or false in the string values. So first thing, fruit equal to banana. Fruit equal to banana. I defined it. Okay. N in fruits. So I checked it. The find out n value in the fruit in the banana. So the banana is already n value is available. So that is a true. Okay. So next m in the fruits. So m is not available in the banana. So that is condition is false. Okay. So next string comparisons. This is a string comparison that is represent compare of the two strings. So example, if word equal to banana. Okay. So banana word equal to banana. Print all right bananas. All right, bananas. Okay, if word less than equal to banana, less than banana. So the conditions, print the statement, print your word comes before banana. Okay, else if word greater than is banana. So this is a consider for check the conditions. Okay, suppose I define word values banana. So the word value is banana means banana equal to banana. The condition equal means we can check the all right bananas. Okay, suppose the word values I put in India. So India less than banana, that is a wrong. So these wrong values. Okay, so true means execute a statement, false means go to end of the else statement. Okay, this is called for string comparisons. Next, this is a string library. The string library means that is a built-in types. Okay, so you can itself I one of the function of string function of that is lowercase or uppercase. So I define the variable greet equal to hello Bob. So I define greet values hello Bob. So jab equal to greet dot lawyer. The lawyer means lowercase. Okay. Print jab means you have represent lawyer letters hello Bob. Okay. So first I given a title case values. After that conversion the lower case values. Okay. Next print greet. After that making to conversion the title case values. This is called for string lower case functions. So string function there are more than function will available in the Python language. String 1 replace string 2 find, string 3 index, string 4 concatenations, string length, string lowercase, string uppercase, string comparisons. This is also string length, that is called for string functions. Okay. So this is a defined for different type of strings. String replace, string revised, string comparison, string lowercase, string uppercase. This is called for string functions. So now itself example for find operations. So fruit equal to banana. Fruit equal to banana. So I define fruit values banana. So push pos equal to fruit dot find position the short form of push equal to fruit dot find of na. So banana is available na. Yes, print pop means the na is 2 times occur. So that is a result of 2. So next define aa equal to fruit dot find z. Fruit dot find of z. So z cannot be available in the banana. So print aa means it's not available. That is using the result of -1. Next one, the uppercase greet equal to hello Bob. So greet values is I defined hello Bob. N equal to greet dot upper. So NN means that is represent the greet values in the hello Bob. Okay. So if we can conversion uppercase print NN means hello Bob. Okay. This is a uppercase. After that, www equal to greet dot lawyers print www, that is represent the result, the small letter hello Bob. So next replace. So replace means that is using the string functions. Okay. So greet equal to hello Bob. So I define another one variable nstr equal to greet dot replace Bob comma John. Bob comma Jan. So Bob value will be changed Jan. So print nstr means hello Jan. Okay. Next example. nstr equal to greet dot replace O of x. So O will be changed in x. The print nstr means let's be asked. This is called for change it in the x values. This is called for string functions. Okay.